Hello, let's learn the letter B. B is for ball. B is for bag. B is for banana. B is for bed. B is for bear. B is for bird. B is for book. B is for box. B is for boy. B is for baby. B is for bus. B is for bike. B is for butterfly. B is for bread. B is for bottle. B is for button. B is for boat. B is for bell. B is for balloon. B is for bee.